everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, I'm Stella. In today's video, I wanted to do a first impressions on one of these blackhead vacuum hoover devices. I just bought one off Amazon. It was the one with the highest number of reviews, which is like the one with 5,000 or so, and it cost me £23. So it's really affordable if it works. Yeah, I was just really keen to try this because I do have my pores are a little bit bigger around my nose and my forehead and things, and you know, you get targeted with these on Instagram all the time, so I just wanted to find out whether they worked or not. In this video, I'm going to first go through what is inside the box and how I'm going to prepare for this, and then I will actually show you guys how I use it for the first time, so I'm no expert or anything like that, and then show you what my skin looks like afterwards and my first impressions. So let's jump straight into it. So inside the box, when you open it up, you get the actual device, which is this here, and it's just the actual electric device and everything. It comes charged, so you can use it straight away, and it has the kind of like one of the nozzles already on it, the one that the one that's most famous that it comes with is just like the large round one. Basically this one is for the blackhead suction, so this is the one I'm actually going to be using today, but it also comes with 3 alternative nozzles, one of them being this round one with the silver top, and within the kind of instructions that it comes with, it says that this nozzle is for microcrystalline skin smooth. So it's just supposed to massage and exfoliate the skin without hurting it. So kind of like more like a massage. And then it also comes with this one, which is kind of like similar to the one that's a device it comes with. It's kind of an oval shape, and this one is apparently to smooth fine lines. And finally, it comes with like a smaller round head. So it's the exact same as the one the device already has, just with a smaller nozzle. And this one is for cleansing the pores. The next important thing to me was, before I wanted to start testing it, is obviously what it says to do. So I want to start with what it says not to do, and that is not to use a face scrub before or after on your skin, because you're obviously opening all of your pores, so you're making your skin really vulnerable and soft. So actually I'm just going to cleanse my face with some cleansing foam, but not going in with anything hard or anything, just washing my face just to have it like clean and dry. It also says that your face should be dry, so that's another thing I'll be making sure that it is. And then it says that you should only leave the actual suction part on one part of the skin for no longer than 5 seconds. You should kind of keep it consistently moving, which is something I'll be aiming to do. I have watched a few videos on other people trying this out, so I've seen that it works better when you really open your pores before it, i.e. steam them. So that's something I'm going to do before now. I'm going to go boil a pot of water and basically stick my head over it for about 10 to 15 minutes just to really open up all the pores, because apparently that's what also like reduces the redness afterwards if your skin is already like very susceptible basically to it, rather than you forcing you forcing the blackheads out of the skin. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go and boil some water, get ready for that, and then I'll be back to try out the device. Okay, that's me got my boiling pot of water, and I'm just gonna put my face over it with a towel over my head, basically for about 10 to 15 minutes to really like open up the pores. So now I'm gonna go in with the tool. I'm gonna go in with the largest round head, like I said, to start with. I'm gonna start on the lowest setting first and then move up as I feel. you can already see a little bit of the dirt there. I'm not gonna lie, the top setting is a little bit painful on the skin, but I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, that's me done, my full face. My pores still look pretty big right now, but that will also be because obviously I just opened them up in order to do this. I'm gonna put a face mask on in a second to close them again. I think only time will tell whether my pores will actually visibly become smaller or not. With the actual thing, I can tell in the actual piece, like in the nozzle, there is dirt, so that's quite satisfying. I'm not sure whether that's dead skin though or actually suction out of the pores. Like I said, that will only be a case of time can tell. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to start using this about once a week just to see whether it'll reduce anything, but first impressions are that it feels really nice. Like my skin feels super smooth. It's not gone very red right now yet, but I am kind of expecting that to still happen because it was quite strong, and like I said, it is quite painful on the face, especially when you repeat it in the same area on a few occasions. So yeah, so I'm expecting my skin to redden a bit. And I think one of the things I forgot to mention at the very beginning is that you charge this through just a USB. I kept putting off buying one because I thought I would want like one with a UK plug, and then I received it and I realized that you just charge it with a USB. So it doesn't really matter where you are, you can buy it anywhere. And it also comes with sort of new filters and like seals, so you can exchange those. But yeah, for an initial test, like it worked pretty well, like I think just like on smoothness of skin and stuff. And you can see dirt having actually been taken off the skin. I think even if it is like dead cells and things, like I know that there's this equipment that costs, I don't know, like £120, and this is only 20. So I guess it's a more affordable version even for that, if it alone only does that, like just removing dead skin cells and things like that. But yeah, I hope you found this video entertaining or useful, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.